For making purchase entry, click on to purchase, select purchase entry. Enter the purchase number, DC number, item name and its quantity. Enter the supplier name and the employee name in the entry by. Click on to save option. Purchase saved successfully. You can print this purchase invoice. For entering purchase written, click on to purchase and select purchase written. Enter the supplier name, purchase number. Once you enter the purchase number, the details automatically fills up. Now enter the returned quantity. The amount will fill up according to the returned quantity. Enter employee name in returned by. Click on to save option. Purchase return saved successfully. You can print this purchase invoice. The purchase entry and purchase return for linen management has been done successfully. Thank you.